Airclips.com.
Trader 90521, ready for departure.
Trader 90521, clear for takeoff, 05, wind 250 degrees, 6 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 05, Trader 90521. Have a nice day, bye bye.
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff. You ready?
Ready? Timer is on.
Yeah. Let's go. Takeoff power set.
Takeoff set.
Yes.
V1, rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Nav.
Acceleration 3,400.
Check.
Zagreb radar, good morning. Trader 90521. Kotor 4 Romeo departure, passing 1,300 feet.
Trader 9521, Zagreb radar identified, climb to flight level 200.
Climb to flight level 200, Trader 90521.
Set flight level 200.
Flight level 200 set.
Climb BS green, all blue.
Checked.
200 checked.
Checked.
I'm gonna fly it manually a bit, huh?
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah, I didn't fly it a long time though. Okay, we passed acceleration. Can you set the standard, please?
Standard set.
Passing. Checked and passing 4,600 now. Flight level 47. Now.
Plus 20.
After takeoff, climb checklist.
Climb checklist MFDS checked. Altimeter setting standard.
Yeah, just
2
set to
times
standby.
and standby to go. And strobe auto. Climb checklist completed.
Thanks.
Airclips.com.